In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotoscope a subject using the Roto node in Nuke. We'll start by bringing your footage into the project, add a read node and select your clip so it appears in the viewer. This read node is your source and everything we do next will build on top of it. Next, add a Roto node. You can do this quickly by pressing Tab and typing Roto. Connect the output of the read node to the input of the Roto node by dragging from the read to the Roto. This lets the Roto see your footage and generate shapes based on what you're viewing. Open the Roto properties panel so you can access all the drawing and edge controls. If you don't see it, select the Roto node and press the hotkey to bring up properties or double-click the node. Keep the viewer focused on a frame where your subject is clearly visible. This will make the initial shapes cleaner. Now draw your shapes around the subject using either the Bezier or B-spline tools. Bezier is great for precise corners and control, while B-spline gives you smoother organic curves. Start broad, trace the main outline with as few points as you can while still hugging the edges. Fewer points are easier to animate later. Zoom in for tricky areas like hands or hairlines and close each shape to generate a solid mat. If you need multiple shapes for separate body parts, that's perfectly fine. It often makes animation more manageable. With your shapes in place, adjust feather and edge softness in the Roto properties. A subtle feather helps blend the edge into the background, avoiding a harsh cutout. You can tweak per point feather handles for more control, where the edge needs to be softer or tighter. Now animate the shapes by moving points across frames. Step forward a few frames at a time, reposition the points to follow the subject, and let Nuke interpolate between keyframes. Keep your keyframes sparse, place them where the motion changes direction or speed. If a shape significantly changes, consider adding a few extra points but avoid overcomplicating it. To verify your work, check the alpha channel in the viewer by pressing A. Your subject should appear white and the background black. Look for holes, chatter, or soft areas that need cleanup and refine the points or feather as needed. Once you're happy, use the Roto output as a mask or matte. You can pipe it into other nodes to isolate your subject, drive color adjustments,